Hey, it's David, Green Meadow Lawn Care, and today we want to answer the question that many lawn care companies get is how could he have done a good job when it only took 5 to 10 minutes? Well, there's been some advances in our industry from when I started back in 1990 to today. Back in 1990, we used to use push spreaders. We would push and we would take a break and we would huff and puff and breathe. And then we'd go back to the truck and we'd have to fill up again. And it'd take a long time and the customer would be all excited that you spent so much time on the property. You showed you cared. Things have changed in the 30 years that I've been doing this. Most lawn care companies today are using advanced equipment like this Z-Spray piece of equipment. Much bigger hopper, much bigger capacity, don't need to refill it. The other thing you don't have to do is you don't have to go run and get that backpack sprayer or that handheld sprayer. Back in the day, we used these little itty bitty sprayers and we spent a lot of time on the property going back and forth, filling it up because this is only 3 gallons. Versus today's piece of equipment, which has a nice 6-foot boom on it and 2 15-gallon tanks and another 7-gallon tank in back. So as I'm fertilizing your lawn, I can also put down the weed control or insect control or even disease control if I want. Another reason that people can get on your property and off your property in a faster time is product advancements. Today's products are blended in such a way that they can put the weed control, the insect control, the fungus control, whatever you need, they can usually blend that into one bag instead of having to do an application, go back, fill up, do another application. A lot of these products are combined or custom made. So this machine and these type of techniques have cut our time on property by at least half, if not 3 times. So another one of the factors that go into how somebody can be more efficient when treating your property or take less time and yet do the same job and get the same result is experience. Guys that know how to do this, they're doing this day in, day out. They know how to make sure you get the results, make sure you get the right delivery of products, and make sure you're happy.